Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you a live proof of a Bitcoin that I received for just playing a game. So guys, people will be wondering, I said, what's the meaning of what you are saying? You play game and get paid with Bitcoin? Guys, yeah, that's what I said. You play game and get paid with Bitcoin. So in this video, you can see I'm using my phone. So it will guys, I'm sorry for those who are using laptop. It's not working on my laptop, it's only working on phone. So get your mobile phone. You can get an app that you can install. That I don't know how you do it, but please use your phone. Okay guys, so let's continue. So in this video I'll be showing you how you get paid for doing what you like doing or what you like doing. Without wasting much time, I would like to do small intro. So guys, this is your guy Shapiro City once I get in here. As you all know, so this is my channel. I'm a content creator. I create content about how to make money online. So and share this video to all of your friends who are ready to make money online, or who are always looking for a way to make money online. Guys, I want to be fast with this video. I don't want to make this video fast, so I'll be talking fast so I can hop up with everything quick and end this video. So guys, without wasting much time, I released a video since last week. Is it last week? No, that's a day ago. Okay, I released a video a day ago about how to claim free Bitcoin, as you can see on the screen there. As you can see on the screen. So I realized that after doing this video, the video is not working for people, especially in Africa. Yes, the app is not working for people in Africa. So I'm recording this new video to let people in Africa to be updated that okay, there's a new app there they can also use to make the free Bitcoin. You do not pay any money, no money, no investments, nothing. Just play do what you like doing every day, like playing games and all those things, and get paid for doing that. So without wasting much time, I will just go straight into the video. But guys, if you think that what I'm doing here, you have like it, and just subscribe, comment, and share this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. So that was much time, guys. Let's go. So we are going to download an app called Sweet Bitcoin, as you can see on the screen here. So go to Play Store, go and search for Sweet Bitcoin. Okay, so go to Play Store. Let me hop everything back. So search for Sweet Bitcoin. This is how it look like. Yes, that's the interface. That's how the interface look like. So try and get it on your phone, install it on your phone. Guys, you can see that we have what 37k reviews, and you have 7k downloads. So there's a lot of people who are using this app. Yes, a lot of people all over the world. This app work widely, so it work all over the world. So there's a lot of people who are making money from this app. So in this video, I'm also going to show you a live proof. I'm going to withdraw money to show you all that okay, this app is really working. So guys, so what you need to do is just to click on the download button to download this app on your phone, because this is the app that we are going to make the money from. This is the app that is going to do every magic that I will show you in this video. So I have mine downloaded already, so you can see they just written there play. So I'm going to click on the play and let's see how it look like. So real quick okay, so whilst waiting, guys, please subscribe and hit the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. Yeah, I want to make this video snappy, quick. That's why I'm not doing any editing or anything, or just want to make this video real quick so that I can finish this long. Okay, this is how the interface look like. So it's just loading. Let's wait for it to load. Quick. I don't want to make this video long. Okay, guys, so I know most of you, when you are here, just click on the play button and start playing the video and all those things. Guys, when it starts like that, you're not going to make any money. Yes, so don't click off this video, because when you click off this video, that okay, you know the name of the app, so you're going to do it yourself. Guys, you lost on the way, you can't do it. So just stick with me. So all that you need to do is click on the get started at the top there. Now you can say continue with Google and continue with Facebook, so you can use anyone you like, but I like Google, so click on continue with Google. So let's wait for the Google to load quick. Let the Google load fast so we know what we are doing here. Fast. So okay guys, the Google is here. Okay, so I've choose my email. Okay, pam, let me choose this one. Okay, I've choose mine successfully. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, quick. So guys, stick with me. I don't want to miss any part of this video. Don't miss any part of this video. Okay, guys, so here we are. You can see that now we have the cash out at the top there. So that means I have successfully add my email to it. So guys, at the top right corner, they can see they say TikTok. So you say we should follow them on TikTok. We get paid 500 coins. So we are going to do that. So click on the TikTok button there. Okay, here we are. They say let's go follow us and you get this. So you click on the follow. Okay, let's wait for it to load TikTok. Let me choose TikTok, because we are going to follow them on TikTok and we get paid 500 points for doing that. Guys, the reason why I'm doing all those things, don't worry, I will show you in this video. The reason why I'm following them, I'm going to show you in this video. So sorry that I'm talking fast, because I want to do this video snappy, fast. I don't want to waste much time in this video. I just want to do this video real quick. I just want to really do this video real quick, so I will show everything clean. That okay, whatever I'm doing here is genuine. Whatever I'm doing here have paid me a lot of money in my account. I'm going to show you real life proof that I'm going to withdraw money here. Okay, well, so whilst I'm just trying to follow them, I don't know where it is. Just trying to follow the account. I don't know the videos that they're giving me. So let me just go back. Real quick. Okay, let me just go back real quick. Guys, okay, wow, boom, guys, you can see they say thanks for following us. So I've given out 500 points. Okay, so let's see where the points will go. Okay, boom, the point is there. Now let's go to cash out and let's see what they will tell us. Quick. Okay, cash out. Okay, they said that you need to have at least, okay guys, they're telling us you need to have at least that's 13,000 points to cash out. Okay, so guys, what I will be doing is that I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to do some small. I'm going to play the game. Yes, I'm going to pause the video, play the game, and reach that point and withdraw the money from you to all to see. So, but before that, I will play the game to show you all that this is how the game will look like, and it's very easy to play, guys. The game is very, so click on the play button, guys. The game is very easy to play. And guys, someone will ask me where are these guys getting the money from? Yes, companies have paid these guys to play acts on their games, so they are showing acts on their game, and that's where they get the money from. Like for example, let's see this as. Okay, quick. So this is one of the ads I'm talking about. They showed on your platform, so they are getting paid for doing all those things. But let me just go back. And play the game. Okay, so these are the game look like. Okay, so I'm at level 2. Okay, let's go. So quick. You can see, and I know most people are familiar with this game because most people have this game on your phone. Any Android smartphone have this game on it, so it's very easy to play. You can see. It's very easy to play. Somebody asked me, I said, so how can I be playing these games and get paid? Don't worry, I will show you a live proof that you can get money from this game. You can get money from this game. Okay, so I'm just playing, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified when I drop more videos. Like, comment. Let's get that free money. Let's get that free Bitcoin. Comment below. Okay, so real quick, I'm just trying to show you how to play the game. So okay, make sure that unlike, I'm sure it's tough is okay. Well guys, so whilst done with the video, you can see that I have a point of 1,000 that's in there. So let's try and cash out and see what they will tell us. Okay, but before that, let me follow them on YouTube. So I'm going to follow them on YouTube so that I'll get more points on the points you already have. So I'm going to follow them on YouTube. So this is my YouTube. Quick. Okay, this is their channel. They have about 393k subscribers. Wow, guys, this guy really doing it. They are really making money on this platform. So you can see they are really making money on all social media platforms, because you can see that we went to follow them on TikTok, and now here you are on YouTube, and you can see the number of subscribers that they have. So these guys are really making money online, but we're not here for that. So real quick, let me just go back. Quick. Okay. Go back. Let me just go back and let me show you the reason, or let me reason we are here. Okay, boom. Okay, so guys, here we are. Okay, after subscribing, you can see that you just give us our points successfully without no hesitation. So all that we need to do is just click on the cash out. Quick, and let's see what they will tell us. Okay, guys, so you didn't complete you didn't finish the task that they said you should finish. So I'm going to pause the game and I'm going to go back to the game and play the game. This time around, I'll not show you how, because you already know how to play the game. So I'm not going to show you. So while I'll be doing that, I'll just pause the game. I'll go and play it. And when I get it, that's what, it's 13,000. I'll come back. Okay, then I'll come back to the video. Okay, so you can see there I have the 13,000 points. So now they're telling me to cash out. So all I need to do is just click on the cash out. Boom, quick. Okay, so you can see that they say you need to have a Coinbase account. Yes, guys, that will be the first link in the description below. How to get a Coinbase account, that will be the first description below. If you people don't know, I have a video about it. That will be the first link in the description box. So they're telling us to provide our Coinbase address. Okay, quick. So I'm going to look for my Coinbase address. Okay. Where is it? Where is my Coinbase? Where is my Coinbase wallet? Okay, quick. Okay, quick Coinbase. Okay, so this is my Coinbase address. Okay, so let me just copy it fast. Okay, let me go back to the game. Quick. Let me just go back to the game fast. Okay. So I'm just okay, guys. Actually, they're not looking for my Coinbase address. They are looking for my email that I used to sign up the Coinbase. Yeah, before you sign up Coinbase, they will ask for your email. So the email that I used to sign up the Coinbase, that's the email you're going to provide with them. So very quick, I'm going to provide them with my email real quick. Okay, that's my email there. That's my real name there, as you can see. So I'm going to provide them with my email address that I used to register the Coinbase. Okay. Quick. Guys, don't forget to watch doing this. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now we are done. So now they say that we are about to cash out to this and that. Okay, yes. So click on the yes. Confirm. So click on yes. Okay, quick. Okay, guys, we need to verify our email. They need to know that okay, the email belongs to us, or we are we are the real owner of the email. So you are going to send us a verification code that we are going to receive, and we are going to what put a code there. Okay guys, I've not received any code yet. Okay, no, let me scroll up again and see. No, still it's not in yet. I've not received any code yet. Okay, so let's wait more. Okay guys, so the code is in. As you can see, that's the code. That's a 422. Let me click on it for you all to see. Okay, quick. Okay, that's the code there, 422937. So that's the verification code that they have sent to me. So yours too, they will send you a different verification. Guys, nobody should use this is my own, so don't use my own. It will not work for you. So you have to also to get your own. So okay, here we are. So I have to paste it here. Okay. Guys, I'm having people with the pasting. That means this app you can copy and paste here. So let me just write it quick. Let me just provide them and write it. So that's 422. Quick. Sorry. I don't know what's happening. Let me try again. Okay, try again. Quick. Let me just try again. Okay, sorry. Okay, 422 22. Okay, 937. Okay, yeah, that's my code there. So that's the verification code there. Okay, so let's wait and let's see what they will tell us. Boom. Okay guys, so they said your Bitcoin is on its way. So you just click on I'll wait. And guys, this for those who are watching the video up to here, this is the bonus tip I'm going to give you in this video. I'm going to give you a bonus tip in this video. This is how you will see it, guys. After this, they will tell you that you should wait for 24 to 48 hours before your money will be released. And guys, when you go back there, when you card the game, you go back there waiting for the money to in. The money will not come in. So all that you need to do is just continue playing the game. That's the bonus tip I'm giving to you people watching this video up to now. This is how you will be able to get your money fast. How to get your money fast. So just click on play and still continue playing the game. And within some minutes, your money will be in. But if you want to cut it and be waiting for the money, guys, the money will not come. It will take a long time to come. So just continue playing the game, and that's the bonus tip I'm giving to all those who are watching this video up to here right now. That's the bonus tip I'm going to give you. So what I need to do right now is I'm going to let me wait. I'm going to pause the video and still play the game. When the cash is in, then I'll continue with the video for you to see that okay, this app is really paying. Okay, so as you can see that I just received an alert. Let me just check it. Quick. Okay, let me just check it. No, it's not in yet. Quick. Okay, I just received it. So you can see I just finished playing the game. So I've gotten an alert. Let me just check it quick. Okay. Well, guys, as you can see, okay, you can see it. You can see at the top there. So let me just click on it fast, and let's see. Let's all see that yes, the app is really paying. Quick. Okay, let me check my email. Okay, click on the email and let's see what they have for us there. Okay, we sent 0.00014 BTC to your Coinbase, guys. As you can see that okay, boom, we have received our Bitcoin successfully. As you can see, so let me just go back to my Coinbase account and let me check it whether it's true or not. So guys, this app is really paying. Just play game and get paid for what you like doing. So this app is really paying. So you can also do it. It didn't take me up to 5 minutes to finish all these things. So imagine doing all these things a day. You can see I have my money there, I have my Bitcoin there. So imagine doing this as a work, doing this every day, guys. You get paid for doing all this thing. You just get paid for doing it. So it's very easy to make money in this app, and it's very easy to make money online. So watch out for my more videos. I'll be dropping more videos about how to make money online very soon. And this video, please share it to all your friends who are looking for a way to get money, or who is interested in Bitcoin but they don't know how to start, or they don't have any outcome, or they don't have any capital to start. Just share this video to them. They can start with this. When they get amount of money, then they can sell it and make bigger amount of money. So guys, see you in my next video. I'm out.